Alright, gearheads, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a problem that can make any engine owner's heart sink: a no-compression engine. Don't panic, it's often not the end of the world. It could be something simple, and with some DIY triage, you can diagnose it yourself. So, grab your tools, and let's get started. First things first, what does no compression mean? It means your engine isn't sealing properly, and the air-fuel mixture isn't getting squeezed like it should. This usually means a no start, or a really rough running engine. But always start with the easy checks. Step 1, the obvious: spark, fuel, and battery. Sometimes, a no start is not compression. So, double check these before tearing things apart. Spark: make sure you're getting spark at the spark plugs. Pull a plug, connect it to the wire, ground it, and crank the engine. Spark? Good. No spark? That's a different problem. Fuel: is fuel getting to the engine? Check for fuel pump operation. Listen for the pump, and verify fuel injector function. Battery: a weak battery causes issues. Ensure your battery is charged, and that the starter cranks the engine at a healthy speed. If you've confirmed spark, fuel, and a good battery, it's compression test time. Step 2, the compression test. You'll need a compression tester. Here's how to do it. Warm it up a little. Ideally, the engine is warm. If it won't start, a cold engine test is fine. Disable ignition fuel. Disconnect the coil pack or the fuel pump relay. Remove spark plugs. Take out all plugs. Label them. Screw in the tester. Screw the tester into the first spark plug hole. Crank it. Have a helper crank the engine for 4 to 5 seconds. Read and record note the reading. Repeat for all cylinders. Interpreting the results. Low compression across all cylinders could be valves burnt, incorrect lash, a head gasket, or worn piston rings. Low compression in one cylinder, usually a problem with that cylinder. Burnt valve, stuck valve, damaged piston, or worn ring are common. Compression reading doesn't hold. If the reading drops quickly, there's a leak. Step 3, the wet test. Find low compression in one or more cylinders. The wet test can pinpoint the problem. Add a teaspoon of oil into the cylinder. Reinstall the tester and retest. If compression increases, it's likely worn rings. No change? Valves are likely the issue. Step 4, other diagnostics. If the compression and wet test aren't enough, consider these. Leak down test. Use compressed air to find leaks. You'll hear the leak coming from the intake, exhaust, or crankcase. Visual inspection. Look inside the cylinders with a borescope. Final thoughts. Diagnosing no compression can seem tough. Follow these steps, be methodical, and ask for help. Good luck, and happy wrenching.